Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2008 Suzuki LS650. This is a single cylinder 650cc cruiser, only has 5,100 miles and is offered for $24.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. In addition to the stock feature, this has some real nice aftermarket add-ons. It has a Suzuki backrest and little luggage rack. Also the Suzuki saddlebags, leather saddlebags you can see there. Bike's been gone through by our service department, had an oil change, safety check, got a clean bill of health, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one. Again, 5,100 miles, only $24.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports.